So, ito naman yung tinatawag nilang Jack Daniels.
Ito akin.
Wow, sarap ng amoy. So this is 24 Chicken Dolores branch. Meron tayo ditong order area for walk-in customers. Today is their soft opening, as in the day na nandito tayo ngayon,
Yes.
di ba?
Hindi lang soft opening. First day rin ng pagbubukas nila.
First day,
So,
first day.
tayo rin yung unang-unang titikim ng kanilang mga chicken.
And then, surprisingly guys, ang dami na nag-order online. Nani kaya sir? Grab, FoodPanda, what else? Grab, ang galing. Ang dami. We're gonna start, guys. This is our table. Syempre, kasama pa rin natin si Ma'am Cha and Shanok. So, they prepared for us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole boxes at saka half box. I can't imagine, less than 500 pesos. Sulit.
Price lang talaga nila is pinakamahal is 460.
460.
460 pesos
Yes.
for the whole box.
Yep.
So, pwedeng dalawang flavor. Maganda naman dito is boneless sila.
Boneless.
So, lahat dito is kakainin natin.
So, umpisahan to guys dito sa kanilang bestseller. So, this is JD, which is Jack Daniels. And then yung Yongnyom.
Yang no.
Yangnyom, baliktad pala, sorry. Set. Jack Daniels.
Ito akin.
Wow, sarap ng amoy.
Since I'm a cheesy person, dito tayo sa mga cheesy flavor nila. So, at the same time, meron din silang parang Parmesan type, which is yung kanilang snow cheese. Pero dito ako sa 24 cheddar nila kasi mas ma-cheese to. Interested ako doon sa kanilang Yangnyom times 2. I'll go for the spicy barbecue. Amoy pa lang Korean na. Korean na. Ayan ha.
Alam ko ito yung Yangnyom times 2.
Yes.
And notice, yan. Doon sa description natin earlier, meron siyang mga fresh raw garlic. Actually, parang tumatamis pa siya dun sa garlic. I think so. Big brother? Is that you, big brother? What's the flavor? Snow.
Snow.
Korean snow? Snow Korean?
Snow cheese.
Snow cheese. So basically guys, ayan. Coated with cheese. Powdered cheese. Okay.
Salty.
Little bit salty. Start with you, brother. So far, how's the food?
So,
the servings?
actually, nag-enjoy ako kasi talagang less na yung tinatapon mo when it comes yung buto. So, more on talagang kain ka na lang. Mas sulit kasi talagang lahat kakainin mo na lang.
Masarap sila lahat. And then, hindi siya nakakasawa, especially this one.
Yes.
Yan. Kasi medyo may matamis-tamis siya. And then, may mga, especially yung may cheddar chicken. Sa mga bata, perfect siya.
So another option guys for you to check out. So this is 24 Chicken located dito po sa Unioil gas station, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
And they are open from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday. They're available also via FoodPanda and Grab.
There you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.